Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we continue with the 8th and final episode of this tutorial on the workflow for creating a military case to be used as game assets on a video game. In the previous episode, link in description, we had finished the texturing of the model and today we export it into Unreal Engine 4. Let's start with the export from Substance Painter to the export file, and unlike the previous tutorial in which we exported the material with the Unreal Engine preset, this time we export it with the default preset called PBR Metal Roughness 1 with the standard parameters. I know that this invalidates the game optimization, but in this series I don't want to tell you about this. I will speak about the optimization in a future dedicated tutorial. Going back to us, we wait for the substance to end the operation and then we check that all the textures are in the folder. Now let's move on to the Unreal Engine. Open the level we created in the previous series and import by drag and drop the model in OBJ extension and all the textures. Open the material and import the relative maps into them. Link each other to the corresponding name in the material. You will notice that for the eye map there is no corresponding name. In this case we will activate the possibility of implementing the tessellation through the displacement map or eye map as Substance calls it. Simply after clicking on the material, in the menu that appears, go down until you see tessellation. You put a flat tessellation. Now 3 new choices will appear on the material. We will link the eye map to the world displacement. We do the same operation for all other materials. Now our case is completed. Let's go and import it into the scene, scale and position it as we would like. Here our scene starting to take shape. We can also insert the barrels created previously and try the level. The series on the military case ends here. I remind you to subscribe and comment, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like to support the channel. In the next few days I will start a new series where we will create other assets to be included in the game scene, and in which we will see new features of the software used, and in addition we will begin to see a new graphic program. In the meantime I will produce another tutorial and gameplay, so see you in the next video. Bye!